Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios. Tonight we are checking out the Greenworks G-Max 40-volt cordless lawnmower. You guys, this is absolutely amazing. If you have never used a battery-operated lawnmower, then you have to check this one out. You will not believe the difference. First of all, it's going to work just as well as your normal gas-powered lawnmower. Honestly, a lot better because you're going to have way more maneuverability. It's going to be lighter. It's going to be easier to maneuver around your yard. And especially this one is going to be great for yards up to a half acre. It's really just going to be a smarter move for you. The battery can, one charge lasts up to 45 minutes, so it's going to be plenty enough time for you to zip around, easily move in and out, lightweight, and get your yard cut. It's also going to have so much less vibration. You're not going to come away feeling like, your hands are shaking, your ears are ringing. It's so much more quiet. You're just going to have a lot better time. This battery can also charge any of Greenworks' other tools. There's 20, 40 more that you can use. So it's really a very versatile, really cool product. You also have the bag on the back so it can keep your clippings. It can work for mulching as well. You're gonna have basically all the power and all of the things that you would normally do with any other lawnmower, except this is gonna be battery operated. It's better for the environment, it's better for you. You're just going to absolutely fall in love with this and wonder why you haven't gotten it sooner. You guys, this has a 16-inch clipping deck and 5 different levels that you can decide what level you want to cut your grass at that time. It can be great for your yard because you might want to switch it up as you go, what looks best in which area. This is just an amazing piece of equipment. Definitely switch from your old gas-powered lawnmower. Get this one, you're going to be super happy with it.